Hello guys, welcome back. Here's another video where I washed and cleaned the starter that was failing to start. Uh, the issue was actually caused by um, dirty oils coating around the starter. As you look at the starter, it is coated with old oils that turns into dirty to disturb the current from flowing to the whole starter system. So let's check how this one functions. You see, it failed, but this is not the case. Watch the video till the end until you realize that this problem may cause you to throw away something that is still functioning. Alright, pay attention. This starter is not dead. It is still functioning like new after this wash and separation of the everything you're gonna see. Now let me start plugging this starter. Solenoid itself separated from the starter. You're gonna see this one react. Its reaction. You see, it is still functioning, but when it is attached to the motor, it was not reacting. Nothing was happening. So let's separate everything away from each other. Now we're coming to the motor. Let's start the motor again one more time. You see, this is so guys, pay attention on problems like this. So let me strip down everything and start washing. The thing that I used for washing is paraffin. Paraffin will dissolve all the grease simple, better than the greases and a lot of stuff. I don't know if what your opinion might be, but I prefer this method because it worked for me very well. Now let's suck these ones out and begin the washing process. Pay attention. Okay guys, here we go after finishing to wash the parts. So now let me show you how to assemble everything back. We are going to start with the starter armature itself. This is how to install back everything, because without doing so you might spend about 3 days until you fail again, because this is hard to do guys. So you need to remove your brushes first, but be sure that everything is aligned properly. Don't remove all the brushes. You have to leave only one cable that is still attached to the starter body itself to guide you not to mess up the cables. See how I'm gonna do it. Okay, so here we go. 3 brushes been removed, left with 1 cable still attached to the starter body, so I didn't mess up the cable. So follow all these guidelines guys. So fitting back again, we go to the same procedure. Pry out the coiled spring, the brush spring, with the flat screwdriver, and give you a room to slide your brush into that brush holder, just simple as this one. Rate my method, guys. I feel like this is the best method on how to fit your brushes, because I'm seeing a lot of guys trying different methods that might be difficult for someone who is doing it by themselves. So see how simple this thing works. Alright, so watching my videos, guys, please subscribe, because we're still going to have more of vehicle knowledge on this channel. So please subscribe, be a part of my channel, because this is not my channel alone. I do still have a lot of channels. So if we hit 1,000 subscribers here, I'm going to tell you one of my other channels names that we will be going to get some more knowledge about fixing other things. Okay. Okay, here we go guys, we're done doing everything, so let's start and see the results. So now as you can see here, the start itself is starting, and I'm using the key command terminal from the solenoid. It's kicking, and the gear shows that if we feed it back to the car, the gear itself is going to engage. So let me show you how it kicks any object that comes in front of it. So let's put these sockets away. You see, seems like everything is functioning very well. You see, it kicks. So subscribe guys for more videos.